Hello students, welcome to Astrovate official. In today's lesson we are going to learn or we are introducing you our recent launches. We launch for you a new section. First of all, go to astrovateprivatelimited.in where you can search our programs. You can search here, click on our programs, then a very interesting interface will open, and then you go to the downside. You will get a beautiful design packages for you. If you seeing this video as a school or in institutions or organizations like NGOs, etc., you can choose one of the plans or packages. This is the plan only for situating or placing annual space labs and rocket labs in your institutions, schools and organizations. Also, we offered many types of programs here. If you slowly slide down here, you can get, first of all, we provide space awareness and seminar programs where the pricing is only for 1500 per school plus the travel allowances, which is vary depending upon your distance from our facility. Next is model rocket workshop plus live launch, where you can get model rocket that depend on you what type of model rocket you want or you choose, plus transportation charge will be affordable. Last but not the least is annual space lab setup. You can choose one of the among of the 5 labs. I can see you in the above. You can download here the browser where we can define very perfectly that you can understand very easily about our rocket space lab. In the starter lab you can get 5,000 per year annual rupees, which is very cheap from among all the type of startups we have done. Next is foundation lab. In foundation lab you will get 10,000 per year. You can also read the components will provide it to you. Also we have advanced lab 25,000 per year. Another professional lab which is 50,000 per year. If you have a very good and very best institutional organization you have, like IITs, NITs, very state universities, central universities, or very large schools, like, so you can choose professional lab or also advanced lab. If you are wondering about space science and technology, you can also choose premium lab, which is 1 lakh per year. You can also get download the browser, and there we get perfectly 100% of type of data is available there. So for today, this much I will discuss to you. Thank you. Have a nice day. I want you can understand all of our packages about space lab and rocket lab implementation. Thank you. Have a nice day.